Well, welcome to the music studio. This is quite exciting, but it is for me. I was an engineer, a sound engineer for many years in the 70s and 80s. But I want to show you what we're doing here today, because what we used to do is use a big old-fashioned console or recording desk. And now it's all condensed and run by software on your computer. It's amazing, and this is a fraction of the cost of what would normally for a solid-state Logic desk cost £500,000. So this is done for just a few thousand quid. It's just amazing. I've got this young man that I worked with 27 years ago, and he recorded some secular music. He went on to sell 35 million records, and here we go. And this is him singing. After time, I reach out for you. So here, what we're doing, we're using software in the computer, not hardware, although this is hardware, which can manipulate the software. As you can probably see here, it can do that. So, but the sound is enhanced by what we do with changing the EQ, the equalization, or changing the compression, or making it sound sweet, and also the ears of what we perceive audio with, right? Obviously, but music in particular. So it's got to be something that is appealing and not raucous, it isn't got to sound scratchy, to make it sound rounded, if you like. Anyway, the thing is that when you're picking up an old tape and having it baked and then you has it converted into a digital signal, we still have a lot of work to do. So what I want to show you and play you is what it sounded like when it was all distorted, and this is what it sounded like. Am I still the one? Am I still the one? So all of that distortion, it was on the old tape. So what can I do about it? Well, with today's tools, we can manipulate the sound and take off that scratchiness and all that dirt. Okay, and this is how we do it. So now if I play it, having cleaned up the choruses, it sounds a lot sweeter, and this is what it sounds like. And wipe away your tears if you just tell me, am I still the one? Am I still the one? Yeah, I'm still the one. Okay, so that's the sound sweetened up, and then we add effects on the vocals, for example. We want to add some digital delay, which helps the vocal to sound more pleasing to the ear. And this is how we do it. Here I am, thinking of so that delay, it's called slap delay, is a digital delay, but also we want to add some reverb, and so it sounds a little bit more in the pocket and again pleasing to the ear. Here I am, thinking of you. So with that, and then with the rest of the music, this is how it sounds. Here I am, thinking of you. Are you thinking of me too? So that was a young man I was working with 27 years ago. He sold, as I say, 35 million records. Actually, he was the son of a preacher, but that was a secular song, as you can probably tell. But we've got lots of Christian songs that we're working on as well right now. But it was just a way of demonstrating to you what we're doing and what we're able to accomplish by God's grace. Oh, a little PS. We do want to work with Christian artists, so please do send in your material. We'll give you all that information and details to do that.